What is up, YouTube? Do I have a banger for you guys today? Alright, today we're talking about how I saved over $2,000 by using a PowerStop Z26 brake kit for the 6-Piston Brembo Chargers. This is 2018 to 2023, I believe. So if you have an SRT, Daytona, whatever charger you have with the 6-Piston Brembos in the front, this is what you need to be using. Now let me get straight into it. Let me turn the camera, my bad guys. All right, so this is the brake kit, the rotors, and you get the brake pads inside of this caliper right here that I've already installed. This thing, I think it probably took me about 2 or 3 hours to install just because it's my first time doing it and I was learning on the way. So what's so good about this kit? It eliminates the Brembo squeak. A lot of people have been noticing, hey, Brembo squeak a lot, like, and I have brand new brakes on or this and that. They squeak, they make noises. This eliminates all the noises that you get from the Brembos. Also, I think they stop a lot better. Like these things are touchy. Like you would think you're in a brand new car because of how firm and nice these brakes are when you get on them. Secondly, they come drilled. Now I know, yeah, drilled and slotted rollers usually eat up your brakes faster, but the ones from Dodge, the OEM ones, already come slotted, so what's the difference? Secondly, the price. This whole kit was $800. I got quoted over $1,400 for each rotor, left and right in the front, just the front of my Daytona. That's what they quoted me, $1,400 each rotor. Now, some people, you guys had the funds to do that, and that's great. But me, I was like, I can do that, but I'm not spending what is that, almost $4 grand to do the whole thing? No, I'm not doing that. So your boy went on American Muscle. I looked in the section for 6-Piston Brembo brakes and I found this PowerStop kit. I talked to one of the associates on the chat and they said, hey, call me if you have any questions. I called them, I did the order online, got a discount just for calling them, which is crazy. So it took my total from like $804 with tax to like $780, I think it was $780. So yeah, if you guys are gonna do this, hey, do it online, get you a discount. But these are a steal. The performance you get, the looks you get, I just think the whole kit's amazing. To save me that much money and be this cheap and affordable, I think it's amazing, dog. And to be honest, Brembos have the easiest installation thing it is ever. Literally, you knock out these 2 pins, there's one right here, another one on the bottom, and you knock those out, and then there's some bolts in the back, bro. It's so easy. Like, you'll look at it and you'll be like, okay, I know exactly what I'm doing. This is my first time ever working on Brembos, and I said, this is easy. Now, give or take, I do some engineering work and I do work on a lot of stuff that is mechanical, but this is very easy. I will say this is my first time ever working on Brembos, and I would 100% do it again over some of the other cars I have worked in the past. So if you guys are thinking about, you need rotors for your 6-Piston Brembos, go get that PowerStop I think it's Z26 Street Warrior kit. Get that. I'm telling you, it's worth it. And I knew I had to make a video on this kit because of how affordable and how good it was. Like, PowerStop's always come out with some great stuff, and I'm usually like, hey, OEM everything, make sure, like, you know, everything's working how it should be. But this kit is amazing. Like, I get there's some OEM warriors out there, but $1,400 a rotor, that's insane. This kit saved me over $2 grand, and that's not even including labor. Just $2 grand in parts. More than that with the $1,400 for each rotor. So it saved me more than that, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, man, if you enjoyed this video, dang, it's dark. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. But I just want to get on here and show you guys my experience, because I was like, I've got to tell people about this. They got to stop getting scammed for brakes when it comes to Dodge and all these other local dealerships trying to quote them insane prices. $1,400 a rotor is an insane price point for anybody. Rotors are usually the cheaper part, but it is what it is, your boys. Y'all be safe out there, enjoy your Chargers, and y'all have a good one. Peace.